Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Reading with Tony. Today I will be reading Rowing Boats. And this is a pretty easy story, so I hope you read it and enjoy it at the same time. So, if you guys are waiting, let's get into it. Rowing boats. Well, Chip and Craig were going out on the river. Floppy went too. We will take those rowing boats, said Dad. Good choice, said Joy. There goes Flappy. They put the picnic things into the boat and got in. Don't forget the coats, said Whiff. It could get cold. Can I row? Asked Chip. Yes, I'll show you. You have a go, Craig, said Dad, with both hands. Let's stop here for the picnic, called Chip. But not by those stones, said Dad. We can unload the boats, said Chip. Hand me the coats, said Greg. Good boys, said Dad. These plums taste very good, said Craig. Homegrown, said Dad. Don't be so annoying, Floppy, said Whiff. He wants his bone, said Chip. Suddenly there was a loud noise. What's that? Asked Whiff. I can hear voices, said Chip. Look, it's Ray and Joe. The boys were trying to throw a rope over a big stone. Just then, Joe fell into the river and the rope fell too. Oh no, said Roy. Get a hold of this rope. Too late, said Joe. The boat was falling away. Roy tried to catch the boat, but he fell in too. Suddenly, Floppy jumped into the river. He wants to join in and help, said Chip. Look, said Craig. Floppy is going for the rope. Floppy got the rope in his teeth. Good boy, Floppy, called Chip. The dads made the boat safe. Flappy got himself all soaking. He shook himself all over the boys. Go away, Floppy. Joe and Roy swam back to their boat. Oh no, we lost one. Can you give us a tow? Asked Roy. We can't go back. Yes. Did you enjoy the trip? Asked Joy. Yes, very much, said Whiff. But we got soaked. So guys, it's the end for me. But before we end it here, let's read some vocabularies. Like, after reading, how many I words are there? Can you find as many words with I sounds in them as you can? Encourage yourself to list the words to help with spelling. Ask them to add more words from their own memory afterwards. Ask how many different spellings that the sound have. How to blend. Point under each grapheme or letter group as you say the sound. Then run your finger under the whole word as you say the whole or blended word. For example, soaking, 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 soaking. Like that. But most of you might be wondering, what is blending? For starters, blending is reading or decoding sounds from left to right for the word and behind sounds and hear the whole word. So I'm afraid that's it for me, everybody. I see you in the next time, and remember to subscribe and like to the channel to see more videos like this, and goodbye.